going to start this project first with some Dollar Tree mirrors. The outside decoration doesn't really matter on the mirror as long as you have this style and it's over by the pictures and candles normally. You'll need some of these picks that are from Michaels. They're $5.99 each and styrofoam, and they do have left and right hands if you want to change up the hand position. And you'll need a light lantern. The light as in it doesn't weigh a lot. So first you're going to take and you're going to score around the outside of the mirror so that you can remove the decorative part from this, because we are pretty much just using this to hang it. So you could also use like any other backer or like a wood piece, anything that you have around. Once you've scored it enough, it's going to easily just break off. So you're going to break it in the opposite way. If it starts giving you any kind of trouble, just score it again to make sure that it's nice and easy, because you don't want to end up breaking or chipping the mirror at all. Once you've got that out, you're going to take your pick and just simply remove the little wooden stick on there, and then you're going to add some adhesive. I'm using hot glue, but you could use things like E6000 or a silicone or anything like that, as long as it's got some, a little bit of strength to it so that when you're hanging, it's not pulling it off. When you're positioning your hand, just keep in mind where your back little hanger is on the back, in my case of the mirror. I have to make sure it's at the top and they get it positioned. And you can position it up, down, sideways, whatever you prefer. Once your glue's set, should be strong enough to hang, so you want to give it a little test, because if not, you'll need to add more or possibly switch up your lantern or the adhesive you're using. Because I'm using black, I'm also adding some black Craftsmart paint to paint over the mirror. That way it doesn't just look like a mirror. It has like a black, like it's just a mount instead. I think this would be cool if you did use super glue, though, to put these on other mirrors around your house, because, or sorry, not super glue, hot glue, because the hot glue actually will peel off after use. Another thing that is nice about these hands is they are felt. You can paint felt fabric, and it does have all of the like veins raised up, so if you want them exactly like Grandin Road, you can. You can also change up the lantern style as well. So now that I've got everything the way that I want it, I'm going to work on the lantern. And with the lantern, I just pulled out that little insert, was like a hard plastic with the witches and bats. I just pulled that out of there. And then now it's going to have this LED, which I think is unsightly once you've removed all that plastic stuff around there. So I'm bending back the tabs that hold the LED in, and I'm removing it because I'm just going to use a tea light, and it fits perfectly over the circle. Next, because I'm using black and black and it's too close, I need a contrast on these lanterns. So I'm using Americana Silver Metallic Paint, and I'm just doing one coat. And you can see it's got really good coverage. And it definitely pops versus just the black. So here's how they turned out. I absolutely love this project. I left 2 of them turned up the other way so I can place items in them as I decorate. But this was really quick and easy. And remember, if I can do this, you can too.